So I mean, you know. Yeah.
Mike, you call me, man.
All right.
See what you're talking about.
See, a wise friend of mine once said, Mike, when you're working on an old house, you never know how bad it's going to be. It's kind of like peeling an onion. You never know how bad it stinks until you start peeling off the layers. So what he meant by that is this. We peeled off the old siding, right? We just want to replace the siding. It's an easy job, right? Okay, so you pull off the siding, and then the old batten boards, which would be equivalent to plywood sheeting today. Looks pretty good, looks pretty good. You get down lower and uh-oh, what's that? Looks like termite damage. Watch out. See? That's a stinky onion. It's a nasty onion. So instead of just thinking you're going to slap some plywood up, now you got to cut out all the bad boards. It's not a big deal. Cut them out. Piece in some new plywood so that you got, you know, a good structure. So that's what we're going to do. This right here is a lesson. It's never as easy as you think it's gonna be. Because when you're working on an old house, especially if there's water damage or any evidence of termite damage, you're gonna have to replace a lot of damaged lumber. Here we go, guys. Termites, little termites. You can tell it's a termite because they're clear. The body color is clear.
What?
I don't know. They vomit up something that's like acid that eats the wood or something. I don't know. These little guys. The little guys are destroying the house. They like moisture. They like it when it's moist, wet. So if you got a leak in a roof or something, then you got a wet floor. These guys come in and get busy. Start eating that wood.
Where's the queen?
Where's the queen? The queen's probably underground at the nest. They don't like light. They don't like daylight or light.
That's why they don't like you.
Look at all these guys. If you can see that or not. But that's definitely termites. Trying to figure out what's going on here. They were having a party.
This one's
Having lunch.
The weirdest thing. He's just moving around.
Maybe he got hit with a hammer. He got a broken leg. I don't know. There's a bunch of them though. Usually they run away. These ones aren't running away. Saying, hey, where's the party? Oh, there's the ones that got smashed. Right there. Okay. The termites. There's a bunch of them. Well, these guys are gonna find a way.
Say it in Spanish.
Polia? Polia. Termites. Okay. That's what happened to the floor here. The termites ate it. Lunche. Lunche por Polia.
You got it? You give them the medicine?
Huh?
You give them the medicine?
Not yet. I don't.